Comfort. The 4 inches portable bed for sleep is made of a rich high-density foam that is comfortable for sleeping, napping or exercising on. Portability. The foldable mattress comes with a storage case that it easily fits inside. The travel case has built-in handles which makes it easy to transport. The compact foldable bed won't take up valuable luggage room. Multipurpose. Too many guests and not enough beds? Need a stowaway bed while traveling? These portable beds for adults and kids solve all kinds of problems. Use in an RV, for sleepovers or as a camping mattress. CertiPUR-US Certified. The portable mattress material is plush and breathable, making it convenient and comfortable but also strong enough to last. It has been certified for its safe, non-toxic and durable quality. Easy to clean store. Because the tri-folding mattress takes a compact form, it is easy to stow in closets, underneath beds, or in most nooks until the next time you need it. The ultra-soft cover is machine washable. Top reviews from the United States. Good opinion for nomads. In my research of van conversions, most nomad vloggers and bloggers use the Zinus 6 inches mattress. The challenge for us is that I needed to convert the vehicle into a van every morning using the third-row seats. 2 of these fit perfectly across the back of the Honda Odyssey. I still have about another foot of storage space between the end of the mattress and beginning of the front row of seats. For travel, I am able to get the 2 mattresses behind the 60 side of the 40/60th split. Kids have also used them on grandma's living room floor with no assistance.